Alright, back again, this That Sports TV. Right now we're talking to Alex Hislop. First of all, let's take it back a bit. Talk to us about pre-season leading into the Manning Cup.
Well, we train hard and we do a lot of work and thing, and just look and listen to what our coach tell us and just do the right thing.
Okay. Now, obviously, played against Hyde, losing 4-0. Tough loss. But leading in and playing Calabar, your rivals, and coming here and defeating them 1-0. Talk us about what the coach told you before the game and how that has helped this team in the victory today.
We put the ideal loss behind us and come to this game confident. The coach just told us, brotherhood, confident, go on the field and do what we know and do what we do best, win.
Okay, you play Camperdown next. What is the mood like? You just warmed down, but based on your analysis, how is the mood like with the camp, and do you believe that you can go to Camperdown now with this confidence, beating your rivals and doing the same against Camperdown?
Yes, we can go beat Camperdown because we beat Calabar and I feel Calabar is a better opponent than Camperdown, so we definitely can beat Camperdown.
Okay, thank you, sir. And
thank you very much.
all the best for the rest of the season.
Thank you very much.